Hey, partners. Oh, we're so grateful for you guys. We're working, I don't know if you've heard our audio update yet, but we've been working on support raising lately, and just we're so grateful for our team who we have. And you guys so many of you have been around for so long, and we're just so grateful to have you guys on our team. And, God is our lifeline in this. He's the one that, provides whether we're in this position or not. But you guys play such a huge integral part of this team, and whether you feel like it or not, you guys do, and we're just so grateful for that, and all that your investments are allowing us to be a part of. So I just want to say thank you, and we're appreciative. I wanted to say, you may have noticed, we changed things up again. I got some great feedback from some of you guys, and so I was able to rework some of our lists, and basically now you'll receive one email, and it will have both the audio update and this partnership video. So hopefully that will help your inboxes. And one other really cool thing is we are going to launch right now, after this launches, a Facebook group just for our partners. So I'll be inviting you, and make sure to check that out. It's called Ammerman MK Care team page. And essentially it'll have a lot of the stuff from these updates and stuff, and much more. So we can share things on there for prayer, and but we want connection too. So we would love to see your posts on there, or even just your comments on stuff, so we can connect better with you guys. So that'll be happening right away. I'll be getting that going. So just know that is a cool new part that we can connect better with you guys, our team and our partnership, and share what's going on and updates. Lastly, I just want to maybe spend a second just to highlight maybe a project, something that is not happening yet, but that is on our radar. So we've focused a lot on post field. What we call post field is the MK is coming off the mission field. Now they're here in the States, and that's why we're in the States and all of that. And we still feel that's a huge part of our role. But one area we want to improve on is on field. So when the MKs are living with mom and dad on the mission field. And a project we want to do is to equip the parents better. So we're actually looking and partnering with some other departments to start building, dare I say, curriculum, but packages and programs that we can send to our families that help cultivate the family around the dinner table, if you will, to bring in conversations about re-entry and transition and growing up on the mission field and what it will look like. But to have those conversations around the dinner table using fun crafts and things like that for the younger ages, and as it gets older, ceremonial things like trips and stuff where the parents are involved and talking about these things with them, which can help bring common terminology together with mom and dad and the MK. And it's not just the kid leaves and now our team tries to work with the MK. It's now that, but also mom and dad knowing exactly what's going on and being more equipped and educated as to what a third culture kid in MK experiences, and can be more educated and a part of that. So that's a cool project that we want to get going as soon as probably the fall. So we're working on that too. So just wanted you to know about that. That's just something that's cool, that's kind of on our radar, that we're working on besides our other things. So hey, I love you guys. So does Bree. But we hope you guys are well, and we'd love to hear from you. All right, talk to you later.